How to buy Edge token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this post is from MEXC account on X. As you can see, this token is available on their platform to trade in. So I will show you how to buy this token on your MEXC account. Now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. On create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, just type the token name, the Edge. As you can see, now click on this pair. After that, what you need to do, as you can see, this is our token page to be able to trade. So click on buy, now click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, now here you will be able to see how much will be of the USDT on your account, and click on buy Edge. If you select the market, just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy Edge token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.